Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on how to draw cartoons and animals and all sorts of fun things, and manga too. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a dog who is really looking forward to his meal. It's a cute, simple drawing to do for cartoonists and everybody. Give it a try. Let's start. I'm going to show you how to do it from simple shapes. First, kind of a rounded square for a head. And we're going to kind of make this teardrop body. It's a little longer than the head. All right? I have a center line here, and an eye line that's low because I'm going to make him looking down. Now, I'm going to now put the food bowl in front of him like this. Can you see this? So I erase this part. Now, what I do in my videos is I show you really how I draw, and I like to work with a foundation, so you're not getting somebody saying to you, you do this, and I'm a professional and I do this. No, this is why I stay with the basics. I really do. I mean, I think those are the most important things, and so we're all working together in the same thing. Here's the bridge of the nose, all right? So we're going to tilt the head down. He's going to look at this great meal he's getting. Here's the great meal he's getting. Maybe you should stick a bone out of it, right? Okay, here. Now it's a really great meal. Oh, I wish I could have some of that. Not. Okay, so here is the nose. So as you start to see the angle of it now, the head forward. We're going to put a little bit of the chest hair over here, and I'm going to put the arms in here. Like this. I'm going to thin this out. So here's the chest, and say the arms are right on here. All right? Now he's got a split lip here. So let's put that tongue up there. Can you see that? That's 1, 2. That's all it is, and you add a tongue, and you add the tongue. Also going to bring this down now. And we're going to bring this down here. See how we make adjustments like that? There's a smile crease, and there's a smile crease. Okay. Now we're going to also have to, for perspective's sake, if this is round here, then this has to be round. They have to go, they're both straight in reality, so if it's rounded, it's from perspective, and they both have to do the same thing. And I'll just fill that in so it looks like food. It's not the same as everything else. Now, let's put a collar on him. Here's a little tag. So it's clear what's going on. We really should fill this in, darken this so there's contrast. Good. Here's a couple of dots for the whiskers. Now we got the cheeks here, and now we can make those big eyes, and he's going to be looking down. So what does that mean? That means he's almost a little cross-eyed. That's how you do it in cartoons. Cartoon characters, you'll see, they're often almost cross-eyed when they really stare at something. It's just conceit. It's what's been done for many years, especially when something is staring at, a character is staring at something below. That's why, because it has that kind of angle. Oh boy. All right. So I'm going to finish up here. And there, he's got a nice smile on his face. But now we have to show kind of a bright-eyed look. It takes way high eyebrows. And I'm also going to, for the eyebrows, give a few little eyelashes up here. I mean, he's really excited. That is really yummy gruel. Here's the back leg, and here's the back leg. All right? And we'll give him a tail that's coming from behind. Okay, here we go. I make it a little wider and fuzz it out. And let's have some hair coming down here. The ears will be like kind of squares that flop over. They flop over like that. Okay, now let's give a little floral line to this guy. And oh boy, tonight we eat. That's gonna be good. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. To give you some principles for cartooning. It doesn't just happen, but it's also not too complicated. So if you want to see my stuff, I'd love you to take a look at my books. You can go to my website, at ChristopherHartBooks.com. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you next Monday. Bye-bye.